Is your Whatnot live stream completely silent? Let's fix the no sound issue quickly and easily today. Sometimes viewers can hear nothing because the phone volume or microphone is muted accidentally. First, increase the volume on your smartphone during the live stream session. Now, open the Whatnot app and check the live stream audio settings carefully. Look for the microphone icon because it may currently be muted. Tap the microphone icon once to enable live stream audio properly. After enabling it, test your voice and check the audio meter movement. If you use an external microphone, make sure it is connected correctly. Loose microphone connections can stop audio during live streaming sessions. Test your microphone directly inside the Whatnot app before streaming again. Ask viewers in the chat if they can hear your voice clearly now. If there is still no sound, open your smartphone settings immediately. Go to the app section where all installed apps are listed. Find the Whatnot app and open its permission settings page. Check if microphone permission is disabled for the Whatnot app. Enable microphone access so the app can capture your voice correctly. After changing permissions, reopen the Whatnot app completely. Start the live stream again and test the audio another time. If you use Bluetooth earbuds, they may cause audio routing problems. Open Bluetooth settings and check connected audio devices carefully. Disconnect Bluetooth earbuds temporarily during the live stream test. Now check if the sound works properly through the smartphone microphone. If the issue continues, restart the Whatnot app on your phone. You should also update the Whatnot app to the latest version available. Updates often fix bugs related to live stream audio problems. Once updated, start a fresh live stream session again. Check viewer comments to confirm that the sound is working normally. Your audience should now hear your voice clearly without interruptions. Always test audio before going live to avoid future streaming issues. And that's how to fix no sound on a Whatnot live stream easily.